Fresh green tea leaves arrive at the factory and gently cascade onto the stainless steel intake table. The leaves spread evenly across the vibrating conveyor belt, softly rustling as they move along. Controlled air jets lift dust and light debris from the tea leaves, leaving them clean and fresh. The leaves spread evenly across the vibrating conveyor belt, softly rustling as they move along. Controlled air jets lift dust and light debris from the tea leaves, leaving them clean and fresh. The leaves are loaded onto long mesh racks, gently settling into a thin, even layer. Overhead fans circulate warm air, softly rustling the leaves as they begin to soften. Leaves gradually curl and lose moisture, developing a subtle, leathery texture. Workers turn the leaves with wide paddles, ensuring they wither evenly. Gloved fingers press and squeeze the leaves, checking for the perfect softness. The withered leaves slide into the large rolling drum, ready for gentle processing. Inside the drum, leaves tumble slowly, releasing their natural aroma with each turn. Rotating rollers crush the leaves slightly, breaking down the cells for oxidation. Bruised leaves are spread evenly in shallow trays to prepare for controlled oxidation. The leaves slowly darken to a rich copper brown as oxidation develops. Trays rotate gently, ensuring every leaf is exposed to the precise conditions. Oxidized leaves enter the continuous dryer, ready to reduce moisture to the correct level. Warm air flows over the leaves, softly crackling as they dry evenly. Dried leaves exit the dryer onto the cooling conveyor, crisp and brittle. The leaves spread out on the cooling belt, settling quietly in a stainless steel chamber. The dried leaves are gently milled into fine particles for uniform tea sachets. Particles cascade through vibrating sifters, separating any uneven sizes. The sifted leaves fill a stainless steel hopper, ready for precise portioning. An auger rotates slowly, dispensing measured doses of tea into each channel. Digital scales confirm each dose is exactly the right weight. A roll of filter paper unspools smoothly, ready to form individual tea sachets. The paper folds over forming collars, creating cylindrical tubes for the tea. Measured tea granules drop carefully into each open paper tube. Heat sealing jaws close the top of each tube, making a crisp, airtight seal. Rotating blades slice the sealed tubes into individual tea sachets. Silver foil rolls feed into the wrapping machine, ready for the next step. Each tea sachet drops precisely into its foil pocket, aligned perfectly. Foil jaws press down, sealing the sachet tightly and securely. The edges of each foil packet are crimped, creating a tactile, ridged finish. Thin tag threads are attached to the sachets, ready for retail presentation. Finished foil sachets rotate gently on the conveyor, lining up for inspection. High-resolution cameras scan each sachet to ensure seal integrity and placement. Any defective sachet is gently nudged aside with a soft air puff. Tea leaves rotate slowly in a tumbler, mixing evenly for consistent flavor. Foil-wrapped sachets are gently pressed to release their fragrant aroma. Flat cardboard boxes fold into shape, ready to hold the tea sachets. Foil-wrapped sachets slide neatly into each box, one by one. Inner flaps fold over the sachets, keeping them secure inside the box. The box lid closes with a crisp click, locking in the tea sachets. Boxes glide into the shrink-wrap machine, which wraps them tightly in transparent film. Warm air envelops each box, sealing the plastic wrap with a soft hiss. An inkjet printer stamps barcodes neatly on each box. The date stamper presses the expiration date onto the box with a precise tap. Finished boxes move evenly on the conveyor, perfectly aligned for packaging. Digital scales check each box to ensure it meets weight standards. Foil sachets are lightly pressed to verify the seals are secure and airtight. A sample sachet is opened, and dry leaves pour softly into a glass cup. Steaming hot water is poured over the leaves, beginning the brewing process. Leaves swirl and expand in the hot water, releasing rich color and aroma. Soft curls of steam rise from the brewed tea, carrying the fragrant aroma. The cup is gently placed on a saucer, ready to be tasted. The tea color is compared against a reference card to ensure consistency. The brewed leaves are lightly squeezed, producing a delicate crackling sound. Finished boxes are carefully placed on display shelves, ready for sale. A single sealed box rotates slowly, showing the polished, retail-ready premium Sri Lankan Ceylon black tea sachets.